I'm going to show a quick tutorial on how to build exponential functions for the Space Invaders with exponential functions assignment. So you import this image by selecting image from the plus button in the top left. Find the image. Mine was on my desktop and I open. So I'm going to put one right on top of the other. I obviously don't need both. Make sure you resize your image. Okay. I don't want it to be exactly the same way it was when you first logged in. I'm going to zoom out a bit. Here we go. So for exponential functions, they essentially work off this parent function. Y is equal to a, which is the y-intercept, b to the power of x. Okay, and as I change b to a number greater than 1, you'll see it starts to represent an exponential function. Okay, now this is a difficult one. We need to get it down a little. So we're going to use the subtract. And let's say if I go subtract 4, you'll see I'm getting close to where our spaceship is. Essentially, this spaceship's going to shoot a line that's going to cut through all of these guys here. Okay, so 4 is maybe not enough. Negative 4.4, great, that works out. And I'm going to want my b value. I can just have it as a value of 2. Oh, it gets into that thing, so let's go 3. That works out nicely. 4 is even better. There, 4 cuts right through a whole bunch of these, okay? So you can play with that. Our vertical translations, that would be up and down. If you want to move it left and right, the exponent, if you put like a negative 3 beside the exponent, or a positive 3, you'll notice it moves to the left, negative 3 moved it to the right. Those will move the things around the page. And your A and B value, I can obviously put this as a 1 if I want, and actually input the number 4 here. I don't want it to be 14. I'm going to put this in a set of brackets itself. I know it's a little confusing there. Let's do that instead. Okay, there. Okay, and our A value can always be 1, so we don't actually have to keep it there. So you can kind of build your exponential function from there. We don't really need the horizontal translation. We talked about it very briefly. Oops, I do need a power though. This would be the power of x. Okay, and there we go. It's cut through. Technically, a domain and range would be very helpful. We take a look here. X at negative 1.3, so negative 1.3 less than equal to x, and then which is less than equal to, oh, I don't know, let's say the value of 2. That's a little far. Let's go to 1. Not far enough. 5. Oh, that's good. Let's make it 1.7. Yeah, 6. That's good. And there you go. It looks like that laser kind of cut through the aliens. And it's all kind of set up there. Okay.